Hey dude, my Clipclaps doesn't give me any treasure chest when I watch a video. It only says play video to get clap coins. So guys, in today's video I decided to make a video based on this question. If you are facing the same problem, make sure to watch these video till the end. Cause this video is a step-by-step guide on how to solve this problem. What's up you guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in today's video I decided to make a video based on this question. As I mentioned before, this video is a step-by-step guide on how you can solve this problem. First and foremost, a lot of people are questioning the legitimacy of Clipclaps. Let's get this out of the way. It is a legit app that pays users on a consistent basis. There may be times that they would be delayed in sending out payments. There are also instances where payments would be declined, but they would still pay everything as long as they don't see any irregular activity in your account. But before we continue with our today's topic, much appreciate if you will like this video now. And if it's your first time visiting my channel, please consider subscribing because I'm uploading videos on how to make money online for free. You can use this code to redeem $1 welcome bonus without any waste of time. Let's jump into our today's topic. What is Clipclaps app? Clipclaps is a mobile app that is available and free to download on both iOS and Android apps. The app rewards you to watch funny video clips. They are owned and operated by Grand Channel Entertainment Limited and have garnered over 1 million downloads. How can you earn from Clipclaps? Firstly, you will need to download and install the app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Remember to redeem a sign-up bonus $1 by clicking the link in the description box below or enter this code. Every 100,000 clap coins is equivalent to $1. It might seem difficult to achieve the cash-out threshold, but it does not take you much time to reach that. If you are a video lover, it is definitely a great app for you to get paid simply by watching videos. The funny videos you get to see in this app can also be found on YouTube or other social media platform. The main difference is that in Clipclaps, you get paid by viewing videos. You receive your earnings through PayPal and prepaid. As the first-time user, you must have a total of 10 cents to cash out your rewards. From then on, the minimum to make withdrawals is $15, cause at this time of this video the $10 minimum withdrawal is currently locked. Clipclaps can be downloaded and installed by people from any country. Cause it's available worldwide and free to download. It has a referral program. People you invite receive up to $1 when they start using the app for the first time, and you receive prizes in diamond chests. The rewards obtained are called clap coins, which can be converted into real money. There are 3 types of treasure chest: copper chest. With this you only earn the Clipclaps clap coins. The silver and gold chests. In addition to giving you clap coins, they will also reward you with fragments of tickets for the raffle. The diamond chest. You only get this one when you've recruited someone to join the app. It will give you clap coins, money and raffle tickets. So with that being said, let's solve this problem. This how the previous version of Clipclaps dashboard looked like. In the previous version of Clipclaps you were able to collect the treasure chest just by scrolling. But now the latest version of Clipclaps does not allow you to do that. It says play video to get clap coins. You have to watch a video to get your rewards. This is how the latest version of Clipclaps dashboard looks like, and you won't see any orange line at bottom moving when you scroll. All you have to do to collect your rewards or treasure chest is to watch a video. You just click on the video that you like to watch. At the bottom right corner you will see an orange line moving approaching the container as you watch the video. It will also start a countdown as it approaches the container, and when the orange line reaches the container located on the far right of your screen. Sometimes you will also see extra clap coins during the orange line tour. So that's how you collect rewards in the latest update of Clipclaps app. You can use this code to redeem your $1 welcome bonus. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Hit the bell button in order to be notified whenever I upload a new video based on this content. Once again, thanks for watching this video. I will see you in the next one.